Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get Hellcap in Gothic 1 Remake. Hellcap is part of an early game recipe that is used to make one of the first better healing items available in the game. However, it can be easy to get lost and difficult to locate if you're not yet familiar with the world. First things first, you need to be in the old camp. What you'll want to do is stand in front of Thoris, then turn right and follow this linear path. Keep following this path until you reach the southern exit here on our right. Exit the old camp, and around these patches of grass, you can gather Hellcaps. These Hellcaps are ingredients for one of the best early game healing items tied to a quest inside the camp. Make sure you gather at least 5 as the food ingredient requires 5 of these. And that's how to get Hellcap in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.